Welcome back. I'm Jennifer Lee, Lead Admin Evangelist at Salesforce, and we're continuing our journey through setup with Agentforce. Now let's talk about formulas. We love them when they work, but there's nothing worse than staring at a giant block of logic, getting that syntax error, and then spending 30 minutes hunting down a single missing semicolon. Or worse, inheriting an org full of complex formulas with zero documentation. But what if you can ask your org to explain the math to you? Or better yet, ask it to fix the errors. Today, we're diving into formula management. And to walk us through exactly how setup with Agentforce is going to save your sanity, I am thrilled to hand the mic over to our product manager, Nitin Arora. Nitin, take it away.
Today, we are looking in formula management using setup with Agentforce. So the features we'll be deep diving in is how you can explain the formula or fix the formula in setup with Agentforce using natural language. And let's say if you have created a formula field in candidate object and you want to figure out what this formula is doing. So rather than doing a reverse engineering of navigating to the object to that respective formula field, what I can do is I can type in a natural utterance over here, explain the quality of hire, and that's a field name which is of type formula. So I'm typing formula field in candidate object. So the magic that is happening in the background is Agentforce first will try to figure out whether this object exists in the org or not. As you can see, this is not a standard object. This is a custom object. It will figure out whether it exists. Second part is it will see whether quality of hire field exists within that object. If it exists and of type formula, it will pull the formula expression, and this is how it has listed it over here. Then it will try to summarize what this formula is doing. As you can see over here, it is calculating a weighted score for the candidate. And if you want to further deep dive, it explains each and every line item, the logic of it, how it is being calculated. Here we saw about explain formula. Now the next functionality is fix formula. Let's say if you're handcrafting a formula and it goes wrong, there are multiple ways to fix it. If you're in the context of setup with Agentforce, you know what that formula is. You can directly copy paste it. I have crafted a formula in opportunity object, and this may be wrong. So this is where I'm typing in to fix this formula. It is working on it. So if you'll see all these fields which have been used over here in context to opportunity, it fixes this formula. A closing bracket was missing. It has put it over here. Now it summarized this formula. So there are multiple ways to do this. One, when you're handcrafting the formula in the formula field or validation rule, then and there you can ask the setup with Agentforce to fix it. Or if you're in this main panel and you know what the formula is, you can query it over here to fix it. So here we saw how formula management is easy with setup with Agentforce. Using natural utterances, we are asking to explain it, to modify it. Thank you. I can transfer it back to Jennifer.
Huge thanks to Nitin for that demo. I don't know about you, but just thinking about the hours saved not having to reverse engineer someone else's math just makes me want to celebrate. So whether you're auditing an old org or building brand new formulas, Agentforce acts as your personal formula AI assistant. So your homework for this episode: find the most complicated formula in your org, open up setup with Agentforce, and simply type, explain how this formula works. Prepare to be amazed. Now we've got one final deep dive left in the series. In the next video, we're looking at object creation and how you can build out your data model just by describing it. I'm Jennifer Lee, and I'll see you in the next episode.